Hello guys, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to manage ideas in Microsoft Whiteboard. The first step is to access your Microsoft Whiteboard tool from your Microsoft 365 application. You will reach a similar screen like mine, okay? So let's create a new one. Click on this button, the new whiteboard button, and we will reach a blank board just to throw our ideas here. Now what we can do is just to create our ideas manually. Just right click on any place of the board, selecting the note option and type whatever we want. For example, town hall events, okay? Just through whatever you want as an idea here. If you are working in a team, do as well. Allow your team to create the ideas they consider that has to be added here. And also you can create from the menu, from the bottom menu, the notes that you consider that has to, the ideas that you want to add here, okay? But there is another option that is to use the Copilot features. You can use them from the Copilot button here at the bottom. Clicking on it, you will see the three options available, suggesting new ideas, new cards, categorize them or summarize. But also right-clicking in any place of the whiteboard, you will have them as well, the ones that are available for you in this case. Let's Copilot suggest new ideas for our scenario here. That what I want to do is to generate ideas for the adoption team to showcase Microsoft Whiteboard functionalities. So let's see what Copilot suggests, what the different actions suggest for showcasing the features. Okay, so let's prompt generate ideas for showcasing Microsoft Whiteboard features. In this case, what Copilot will offer are say 6 main options. We can generate more if we consider, we can remove the ones that we don't want just to be added to the board. But let me add all of these here, okay? So apart from having the manually created for us, our team here, we have the ones created by Copilot. You can differentiate them from the top of each card, knowing which one are created by any member of your team or the ones created by Copilot. So we can keep asking Copilot to suggest more and more ideas, and not only typing a prompt and let Copilot create or suggest the different ideas, but selecting the cards that we consider that are relevant. It appears a new menu here with this drop down that we can ask Copilot to keep suggesting new ideas based on the cards selected. Okay, so we have 6 more. We can add more and we will have 12 in the end. We can keep generating more and more. So let's add to our board. We have a bunch of them, okay, more or less, if I'm right, 19 ideas to manage. So once the ideas has been created, what we have to do is to go to the next step. The next step is to refine the ideas, and we will use Copilot for helping us doing it, okay? In this case, what we have to do is click on the Copilot button and then select the Categorize option. So let's see what this option will do over all the cards, all the ideas that we have in our board. With the Categorize option, Copilot will offer us different categories, different groups in which our cards could be set. As we see, we have a category called meetings, where we have the town hall events created manually, the remote team meetings, product demos, and so on. We have also a new category called workshops for interactive brainstorming sessions, employee training programs, blah blah, collaboration group, and planning. Let's skip them and let's check the cards, the ideas that we have, because what we have to do is to remove the duplicate ones, and thanks to the categorization, to the grouping feature, this task will be easier than before. Once the categorization has been done, what we have to do is to identify those ideas that could have the same meaning or very similar meaning. For example, under workshops, we have the virtual workshops idea and the employee training programs. Let's consider that both of them refers to the same thing. So in this case, what we have to do is to remove the more generic, or the ones that well, doesn't have a complete description for it. So just select it and click on delete them. Okay, very simple. The last step that we can do with Copilot, once everything has been set and everybody in the team agrees with the ideas that we have in the board, is to use the last option in the Copilot button, the summarize option 1. What will happen here, clicking on the summarize button, is that a new loop component will be created with a summary of all the activities and actions that has been done in the board. In addition to this, what we will have is a picture of the ideas generated of the board. So at this moment, what we can do is to share with anybody in the company, with any colleague that we consider that can add more and more information, or that anybody that can start working on any of these ideas, any of these initiatives. So this is the end. In this video, what I show you is just how to use Copilot in Microsoft Whiteboard to help us develop an idea generation process, how Copilot facilitates the creation and the management of those ideas. So let's see in our next video. Thank you very much.